Form W-7 is how you apply for an ITIN, an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, if you need to file U.S. taxes but aren't eligible for a Social Security number. Let's fill it out. First, check the reason you're applying. The most common is B, non-resident alien required to get an ITIN. Your reason determines which documents you attach. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your passport or identity documents, first and last. Then your mailing address. If your home country address differs, there's a separate line for it, and you'll add your date and country of birth just below. Submit Form W-7 with your tax return and original or certified identity documents. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.